beautiful elevator here today on the 14th of August 2023 has been was with evergreen at the early top of it. But it was maybe before they added later.
Yeah.
And it's on Topeliuksenkatu, Topeliuksenkatu 15 stages. The gated one is there.
Yeah.
And he has these 3 purses at the frequency. This has 2 rides. So yeah, that's Helsingin squash was money at Finland. It was a beautiful foundation.
Yeah.
It was built in 1926 but had been also rebuilt in 1960s. The last in 1998. And the timber is age 139, I don't know, but that's the zero from the 1960s.
Yeah.
I have to check when it was in the 60s. To be inspecting in 2025. Been a B6 before. So
Yeah.
I think it was a B6 because it's that's the serial number there. It's like
Yeah.
it's not kind of 65 maybe or something, but we have to check that according to the serial number.
Yeah.
We'll probably find it.
Yeah.
Because this is one they had also replaced them. But still they had the original information.
Yeah.
There's 2 rides.
Yeah. Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus.
It's going to be inspected in 2025. But the cabs are original, and they just replaced with the doors in the 1960s.
Yeah.
But that's when they also put that serial number here.
Yeah.
But also in 1998 they renewed the cabs.
Yeah.
And also it's just rare when it was MP6 also, and then after it's
Yeah.
that's it.
That's